Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can go ahead and create your Rockstar Social Club account. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you're going to do is you're going to open a new browser, and finally once you have done that, all you're going to do is search for Rockstar Social Club like I'm doing. And finally, once you have done that, simply click on the first link that says Rockstar Games Social Club. Finally, once you have done that, you're going to be on this page where you want to go ahead and click on sign up. And finally, once you're on this page, you can go ahead and accept your cookies and go ahead and enter your date of birth. And once you have entered your date of birth, you want to click on next. And finally, click on this I have read and accepted the EULA and the terms and conditions, and you're simply going to click on next. And over here you want to go ahead and enter your email. Finally, once you have done that, you want to go ahead and enter a password. And once you have done that, you want to go ahead and give yourself a nickname. And if you want to go ahead and receive the early word on all Rockstar game announcements and launches and contests, you can simply tick on this. I don't want that, so I'm not gonna go ahead and check mark that and click on next. And finally, once you have done that, as you can see, it says your social club account has been created successfully. Over here you can go ahead and play with the settings. This is for your profile page and info, so it's like profile visibility, who can see your profile, me only, friends and crew. I'm just gonna do everyone. Feed activity, who can see your wall, everyone. Game stats, everyone. It doesn't matter, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna click on continue. And finally, once you have done that, as you can see, here you go, your account is simply created. And if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below, and if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.